How you going there, guys? Just going to do a head unit today. This is the guy next to the warehouse here. I'll show you what he's got. He's got a Subaru and he's got the Kenwood unit or something that he put in a couple of years ago. All good, just having a few issues with it like now and not doing some things it's supposed to. Again, with like these main brands are a bit hard to update and whatnot. So we're going to go and put one of our units in here and get this all happening today. So the issues, he was having some Android Auto dropout issues. Also, it's a bit like a funky when it actually starts up and stuff. Now, he did buy a pretty mid-range one, so if you are going to go with one of the main brands, always try and get there almost like top end. The problem with the mid-level ones are they quite often are quite old technology, because these are big companies and they do take a while to release things. So if you are going with them, try and get up to the top end one, because then you're going to get the latest tech and the stuff you need. This is what we mean when we talk about it's like a factory fit or like a fascia fit. So you can see here they put a new unit in and it's a small 7-inch screen and it sits deep in there, and it doesn't look amazing. So if you can get like a fascia fit head unit, you're going to get like a bigger screen and it's going to look much more like factory when you have it in. So that just gives you an idea of what it does look like. So I finished the Subaru Outback install, pretty straightforward. You guys can see for yourself how good it looks. Big widescreen like model, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, all your factory features like steering wheel control and reverse camera, etc. are all still going to work. It's pretty straightforward install, and it is a plug and play kit in the harness, so majority of people will be able to put that in without any trouble, and you can sort of see how it fits there, nice and factory looking. If you have any more questions, just reach out to us.